If you're experiencing an installation loop with The Sims 4, follow these steps to help resolve the issue. This guide will walk you through troubleshooting and fixing the problem. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. Visit the official website for the latest specifications and compare them with your system. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Close all applications and restart your computer to refresh the system. Step 3. Disable antivirus software. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software that may be interfering with the installation process. Make sure to re-enable it after the installation is complete. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Clear your computer's temporary files to remove any corrupted data that may be causing the loop. You can do this by using the disk cleanup tool or manually deleting files in the temp folder. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not work, uninstall The Sims 4 completely and then reinstall it. Make sure to download the latest version from the official source to avoid any outdated files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue and enjoy playing The Sims 4. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from official support channels.